In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Shopify store in just 5 minutes. We all know how important web design is for attracting customers and creating a memorable shopping experience. Changing the font on your Shopify store is a simple yet effective way to give your site a fresh look and ensure it reflects your brand perfectly. So let's dive in and make your Shopify site stand out. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify. Open your preferred web browser and type in shopify.com to get started. If you're already familiar with Shopify's interface, this should be a breeze. Once you're on the home page, it's time to access your store. Log into your Shopify admin panel using your username and password. This admin panel is your control hub for everything related to your store, including making changes to the design. After logging in, take a moment to locate the Themes section. This is where you manage all the visual elements of your site, from colors to fonts. Clicking on Themes takes you to a page where you can see all the themes available for your store, including your current active theme. Next, you'll need to customize your theme. Look for the Customize button, which is usually placed beside your active theme. Click on it. This will open up the theme editor, which allows you to make adjustments to the look and feel of your site in real time. Once you're in the theme editor, direct your attention to the theme settings icon. This icon is often represented by a paintbrush or similar graphic at the top or side of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a new menu where you can tweak different aspects of your theme. From the Theme Settings menu, select Typography. You're in the right place to change your fonts. The typography section lets you update font styles for various parts of your website. Here, you'll see options for both headings and body text. Each of these can be changed independently. Click Change under the section you want to customize. A variety of font choices will appear. Take some time to browse through these options and find the one that best suits your brand aesthetic. Once you've made your choice, click Select. As a final touch, don't forget about font size. Adjusting the font size can have a significant impact on readability and user experience. There are controls within the typography section that help you fine-tune the font size scale. Once you've made all your changes, you'll want to ensure everything is saved. So go ahead and click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now sports a fresh set of fonts that will help enhance the aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching and happy selling!